Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to change. Tap your profile icon at the bottom right to jump in. Once there, tap the three-line menu at top right, then select Settings. This moves you into the control area where visibility options live. Make sure network connectivity is stable so settings save. If you manage multiple accounts, confirm the active one now. This avoids changing someone else's status by mistake. Inside Settings, choose Privacy to reach Activity Visibility Controls. Once in Privacy, scroll to Activity Status and tap it. You'll see a clear toggle labeled Show Activity Status. Turn it off to stop showing when you're active or recently active. Do this because Instagram shows status to accounts you follow and message. Disabling it hides your activity, but also prevents you from seeing others. Make sure to confirm the toggle. Instagram applies changes instantly, but check again if you manage more than one device. Once you flip the toggle off, go back to the main app screen and verify by opening a chat. The green dot or timestamp should no longer appear. If the status still shows, force close Instagram, log out and log back in, or update the app. Sometimes cached data delays the change. If problems continue, check for multiple logged-in devices or third-party tools that access your account, because those can override or display different information. Finally, make sure you understand this change is reciprocal. You won't see other statuses.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.